Muchas gracias.
Which one does not belong?
Sunny day. Sunny day. Sweeping the clouds away. On my way to where the air is sweet. Oh, can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street? Come and play, everything's A-okay. Friendly neighbors, and that's where we'll meet. Oh, can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? How to get to Sesame Street? Oh, I'd like to introduce the band this night. Over here on the Rhodes piano is Cristian Iribarren. Over in the bass guitar, his brother, Mr. Daniel Iribarren. Over here on the trumpet, all the way from Bakersfield, California, Mr. Pierre Igoa. Back here on the drums, Mr. Rene Caballero. And we want to thank Jack for sitting in with us. We finally figured something out with a guitar, so. On behalf of our band, we'd like to congratulate Matthew and Lisa and hope they have a wonderful life together. Thanks all of you for staying out tonight and dancing and celebrating with us. And we'll see you next time around.
But wait,
Out on Sesame Street.
but wait. Last but not least, let's give a big hand for Gene Fletcher.
Sesame Street. How you get to Sesame Street? 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 Brought to you by the Children's Television Workshop. Good night, everybody.